Alright, so we got a 2019 Ram Bighorn, 2015 Ram Express rear wheel drive 6-speed. This is the 8-speed. This is around 7,100 pounds. I'm not really sure how much this one is. This one got 20-inch tires, and this one's got the 17s. Not bad for stock. Holy shit, I spun so lag. And we're reaching top speed. Oh, I spun so bad.
There's no way that cuts out at 170.
Yeah, 167.
I was at that when you started pulling on me.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna ease into it. There we go. I can't floor it. Like, look, when I floor it, it just goes swirly. But then I reel them in good, like. We gotta do a roll. It just doesn't want to catch traction at all. I'm still spinning, but then we're gone. And top speed there. It's still spinning. I'll put it 4 high just to see. Yeah, I'm not gonna go much faster than that. That launched.
I wrote one now. Oh, I'm done.
Okay.